Fellas, we ready? We're on Colossus, one of the best GCIs in the world, with some really, really brutal restraints. But we love this ride. Oh shit! Oh. That was actually really comfy. It's gonna get way worse. Matt Warden, do you really like this ride?
It's so good.
That's GCI. Good answer. Good answer. Good answer. It's a really good GCI. Jacob Selick, if you're watching this, GCIs are good. Fuck you. This is a good GCI. Go fuck
are like a 0, but the ride is so good.
It's like the best layout. It's so fucking good.
Oh,
Our Rattler's dueling itself. Holy shit. Good.
I was trying to get ejector, but like I'm so stapled in the seat.
The ejector's even better in the front. I'm serious. It is so much better in the front. Like that is the best, one of the best wooden coaster layouts in the world by a long shot.
The drop at the end and like the terrain is
it's incredible. Like it is
the twisted hills like too
like that's one of the best. That's the best modern wooden coaster layout I can think of. It's so fucking good. It's just the restraints are so ass. They don't bother me as much as they bother them, but they're bad.
Yeah, GCI do more outward banked hills. You're doing it right. That's a good outward banked hill.
It really is. It's good. Love that ride. Love that ride.